Regular cleaning can avoid the formation of hot spots. Regular cleaning can increase power generation efficiency. Simulation of extreme conditions, washing machine cleaning effect. Cleaning effect is obvious. After cleaning, the solar panel recovers as before. There is no apron installed on the left side, and the dead angle of cleaning is obvious. It is recommended to reserve the cleaning machine apron when the solar energy system is installed. Walking speed 12-20 meters minute. Motor power 100-300 watt. Walking distance 3,600 meters to 4,320 meters. Battery capacity 24 volt 10 ampere hour 24 20 ampere hour. Slow point endurance 4 to 6 hours. Cleaning method, dry cleaning, water cleaning. Cleaning mode, single, multiple scrubbing, regular cleaning.